In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Sendowl. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Stripe linked to your Sendowl account so you can start accepting payments seamlessly. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to Sendowl and that you either have a Stripe account or are ready to set one up during the connection flow. You'll also want to use a modern browser and be signed into the correct business accounts to avoid switching later. Start by opening your browser and searching for Sendowl. In the results, click the official Sendowl website. It should clearly show the Sendowl domain and branding. Avoid ads or lookalike links to ensure you land on the right place. Once you're on the Sendowl site, log in with your credentials. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. After you're in, head to the settings area. You'll typically find this in the main navigation or under a gear icon. Settings is where you control account-level options, including how you get paid. Within settings, look for payment gateways. This page manages the services that process your customer payments. Open it, then scroll until you see the Stripe section. Enable Stripe by ticking the checkbox. This tells Sendowl that you intend to use Stripe as a payment option. Next, click the button labeled Connect to Stripe Payments. When you do, you'll be redirected to Stripe's secure onboarding page. This is normal and safe. It's where you grant Sendowl permission to connect to your Stripe account. If you already have Stripe, select the correct account or workspace you want to use. If you don't, Stripe will guide you through creating one with essential business and payout details. Follow the prompts to log in and complete the connection. Stripe may ask you to confirm business information, verify ownership, and authorize Sendowl to accept payments on your behalf. Take a moment to ensure the email, business name, and currency settings match what you expect for your store. If you use two-factor authentication, enter the code when prompted. When authorization is complete, Stripe will send you back to Sendowl automatically. Back in Sendowl, you should see Stripe marked as enabled or connected in the Payment Gateway section. That's your confirmation that the link is live. If you don't see the status update right away, refresh the page and check again. If a pop-up blocker or privacy extension interfered, temporarily disable it and retry the connection. That's it. You've connected Stripe to Sendowl. From here, you're set to accept payments through Stripe on your Sendowl checkout. If you run into issues, review your account permissions or consult Sendowl and Stripe support for detailed troubleshooting.